Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to use Final Cut Pro for video editing. Final Cut Pro is a professional video editing software developed by Apple Incorporated. It is designed for professional video editors and filmmakers who require advanced editing tools and features. Final Cut Pro offers a wide range of video editing capabilities, including multicam editing, keying and composition, motion graphics, and color grading. Final Cut Pro is known for its user-friendly interface and streamlined workflow, making it accessible to both beginners and advanced users. The software supports a wide range of video formats and resolution, including 4K or 8K video. Final Pro or Final Cut Pro is optimized for the latest hardware and software technologies, allowing for efficient and high performance video editing. It also integrates seamlessly with other Apple products such as iMove, Motion, and Compression. Final Cut Pro is widely used in the film and video industry, as well as by independent filmmakers, YouTubers, and content creators. It is a popular choice for professionals due to its advanced editing capabilities, efficient workflow, and regular updates. So, how to use Final Cut Pro for video editing? Well, here are the basic steps for Final Cut Pro for video editing. First, importing footage. Open Final Cut Pro and create a new project. Import your video footage into the project by selecting File, then go to Import, then Media, and choose the files you want to use. So first you need to import your footage. Next, organizing footage. Once your footage is imported, you can organize it in the browser window. Create keywords to help you quickly find specific footage and mark favorites or rejects to streamline the editing process. Next, create a timeline. Drag and drop clips from the browser window into the timeline window to start creating your video. You can use the blade tool to split clips and select tool to move them around. Next, adding effect and transitions. Final Cut Pro has a wide range of effective or effects and transition to choose from. You can add them to your clips by selecting them in the Effects tab and dragging them onto the clip in the timeline window. Audio editing. You can adjust the audio level of your clips in the Audio tab. You can also add background music, sound effects, and adjust the timing of audio with the keyframe feature. Next is color correction. You can adjust the color and lighting of your footage using the Color tab. This includes adjusting brightness, contrast, saturation, and color balance. And once you are finished editing, select File, then select Share, and then select Master File when it comes to exporting. To export your video, choose the setting you want for your final output file and click Export. So these are just the basic steps for using Final Cut Pro for video editing. There are many more advanced features that can be used to achieve more complex editing tasks. But when it comes to more features, Final Cut Pro has more advanced features that you can use to take your video editing to the next level. Here are some. Multicam editing. Final Cut Pro allows you to edit footage from multiple cameras simultaneously. You can switch between different camera angles while editing to create a dynamic video. Next is audio mixing. Final Cut Pro has a comprehensive audio mixer that lets you adjust the volume, EQ, and panning of your audio tracks. You can also use audio effects and plugins to enhance your audio. Next is motion graphics. Final Cut Pro comes with a variety of built-in motion graphics, templates that can use to add titles, lower thirds, and other graphic elements to your video. You can also create your own custom graphics using the built-in motion graphics software. Keying and composition. Final Cut Pro has a powerful keying and composition tools that allow you to remove backgrounds, add greens, screens, and composite different layers of footage together. Also, it has a 360-degree video editing features. Yes, Final Cut Pro supports editing 360-degree video footage, allowing you to create immersive videos for your virtual reality and other application. And it has also a collaborating and sharing feature. Final Cut Pro makes it easy to collaborate with other editors and share your projects with clients or collaborators. You can use the built-in collaboration tool to work with others in real time. And you can export your projects in a variety of formats for sharing online or on social media. These are just few of the advanced features available in Final Cut Pro. With its powerful tools and intuitive interface, Final Cut Pro is a versatile and comprehensive video editing software that can handle even the most complex editing projects. So that's how to use Final Cut Pro for video editing. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.